Take 10.
Hey guys, this is Bunny the Great here, and welcome to my cooking show. Now, we all know Diwali is just around the corner, and everybody's gonna be hungry. So, on this Indian festival, we're gonna be making an Italian dish called the pasta. Now, let's go to my kitchen and talk over the preparation. Now, to make pasta, you need three things. It's very easy. You need a pan, you also need pasta, and you need sauce. Now you can go to the market and buy sauce separately, but we're gonna be making the most wholesome meal and we're gonna be taking the ingredients from our own home and it's gonna be fresh and it's gonna be good. Let's go to my garden.
Hello there.
To my garden. And now we're gonna collect the ingredients and they're on the tree right there. Come closer to them and look at the tomato. I take the tomato, take the onions. Where is the garlic at? I drop the garlic. Here's the garlic. Chilies, and curry patta bhi chahiye. Now, people used to tell you that these can't grow on trees, but who's the engineer? I'm the engineer. Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Here we have the ingredients. You take these ingredients and then you put these in the pan. Now remember, we are making the sauce here, so we'll need spices. Now this shelf over here has spices in it. Now I'll tell you what spices.
What is this?
This, my friend, this is a very potent South American spice called cocaine. Yeah. Hey man, you need to try this. So we're gonna put some of this amazing spices into the pan right there. Now this will just add so much flavor into it, you won't even believe. ठीक है? As you know, everything you buy from the market has pesticides in it, but this was homegrown organic goodness. It has no pesticides in it. We are gonna add pesticides in it. Pesticide. Good pesticide. So guys, now we have the pasta and now we're gonna just cut it and boil it and it will be good. Now we just need to add some salt into it. Now this is salt, not cocaine. We have had enough of that already. Now you might be asking yourself, why did Bunny put salt in the pasta before boiling it? Well, there's a perfectly good scientific explanation for it, but you'll need more than 200 IQ to understand it. And since there is no one in the world who has more than 200 IQ, I think you should just leave it upon me and just follow the instructions. You know, you should do as you're told. You should not question the higher authorities. Just shut up and do as you're told and add the salt in the pasta.
It's ready.
I need this channel. I need that channel. By the way, the pasta is ready and it's, oh look, it's boiling. It's good. That means if it's soft, now all we need to do is transfer this into the puree that we have prepared, and then it will be ready. You won't believe how tasty it is. Let me do that. Hey bro, made pasta for you.
Pasta.
Yeah. It's good.
Shit.
I'm sorry, bro.
Fucking shit.
I'm so sorry.
This is why no one loves you. Not even mom, not even dad. Fuck. By the way, you're a dog.